Hey guys, it's Andrew
and Aaliyah
from Countyline Adventures, and we got a box here from Blue Ridge Outdoor Supply for our upcoming trapping season, and we're going to open it and show you some of the supplies we got to start getting prepared. So we'll swing around here and open up the box. I will laugh, I just cut the label off, but Scott over there, Blue Ridge, clearly put this side up multiple times. I think it's on the other side too. So see if the UPS guys stuck with that. It was at least on my porch that way. So let's grab a knife and we'll cut it open here. All right, we cut it open. We're gonna have Lee go ahead, open it up. You take everything out for us. He can hand it to me piece by piece. We got some paper, packing slip. There we go. Hold on there, Lee. We got a sticker from Blue Ridge Outdoor Supply. This was a place we drove down there a week ago, and they weren't open, but we got in contact with Scott, and we got an order in. So I think the up was here for, you can rip that top open there, Lee, if you want. Let me get the knife. Here, watch your finger. All right, what we got there? We got a coyote urine, Mountain Rebel coyote. Got Mountain Rebel, bobcat. And Mountain Rebel red fox urine. We got a driver for our wolf fangs. That busted last year. I didn't get rebuilt, so we got that. Let's start with these. A bunch of split rings. There's a spool. Way to go. 1,000 feet on there of 7x7 3/30 seconds wire to make our earth anchors. There's some of the wolf fangs. Ferrules. There are our drowning locks to make for the beaver setup.
What are these things?
And here are the bad boys we've been waiting for.
Oh,
can't even hold it. There we go.
Are they heavy?
The MB 750 beaver trap. That is a beast of a trap. You want to hold it there, Lee?
Is it heavy?
Yes, it is heavy.
No, it's not. It's light.
Oh, and it's definitely not light. So
It's light as a trap.
that's a heck of a trap. We're gonna have a place. If you watch our other videos, you see at this point, unless someone here in Berkeley or Jefferson County helps us out with a beaver spot, we're going to be hiking like an over 3-mile round trip back to a beaver spot just to try to get some beavers. So we got 3. We're going to run 3 traps there, and then there is some wire. I think it's a 9-gauge
What's this?
for the
That's not like a feather.
to run my cable restraints. So anyway, there we go.
Don't clean up in here.
Pull it back a slip. Alright. Got everything. And pick all those up, Lee.
What?
Alright guys, I'm excited about these traps. This is has a lock on there so the beaver can't flip the jaws over on the trap. But anyway, we'll give a shout out down there to Scott at Blue Ridge. If you're in that area, for us, even we're 2 hours away, and that is still one of the closest places for us to get trapping gear. So he did set us up here online, and I ordered Thursday night and it was shipped Friday, and it's Saturday and it's here. So anyway, thank you, Scott. And yeah, all this here is a bunch of work to get the stuff ready. We're gonna make some of our own, we make all of our own stakes with the wolf fangs and the cable, and then I'm gonna make the cables for the beaver. So anyway, there's just a little snapshot of what we got, and guys, we'll catch you on the next video. What should they do, Lee?
Like and subscribe.
All right, thanks for watching.